Hi guys, so I just made a piece 40 by 40 centimeter canvas, and I really thought I gotta go again, do a little bit different this time, and it's gonna be on this Lazy Susan. It's from IKEA. I taped the back, and I guess the front has already been prepped. I don't know if it's varnish or what it is, but it's completely smooth, so I haven't done anything with the front. Just gonna spread out the pillow a bit before I get started. Maybe that was too much. I actually promised myself not to use too much pillow. Guess I forgot. Just gonna spread it out a bit. Because my problem is always that, as you can tell, my paint is not that stretchy. And by the time I get enough off, my composition is, well, not what I wanted. I wonder if there's anything here in the middle. Thought I could see something. I don't know. Maybe it was just me. No, I'm not sure if there's enough in the center. I'm gonna give it a little bit extra for the paint to move, you know. Just a little bit. I don't know, maybe that was too much. In one spot anyway. So, I'm gonna layer the colors now. I'm gonna start with Winsor Newton Payne's Grey. I like that. I'm gonna put a healthy amount. And the next one is Pepio Iridescent Blue Green. I love this as well. It's gorgeous. A little bit of that. And the next one, let's do the lady of the show, T.L.P. Athena. I love this color. It's so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the shimmer or the color shift in it in the camera. I hope you can. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on top. And I think that would go really well with Golden's Iridescent Gold Bright. And it's a golden fluid. Oops, I got a lot on here. Maybe that's too much. We'll find out. And the last one here is Golden Cerulean Blue Deep. I don't feel like it's very deep, but it's more in the teal section, so it's not a bright blue right in your face, and I like that. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of Pepio because I'm gonna use a dark CA, so I like color underneath that one. Now the last piece I used 2 CAs, this black one and a blue. I like blue, and I like that. It was actually pretty cool, so I'm gonna use it again. This one is Amsterdam, and I forgot the name, but I'm gonna write it. That one on top. Looks a little bit purple, actually. So, let's blow this baby out with my intense lady. We'll see how I manage her. Cool air low fan. Oh boy. My plastic is flying. Well, for sure this blowout is better than in the last piece. I probably put the other one up first, so maybe you've already seen it. I'm gonna let the middle collect a little bit and pause you guys and be right back. So I left it to collect a little bit and just smoothen out the edge. You know, paint go where paint has already been. So, oh, it's it's really slippery. I don't know how I'm gonna spin this, but let's see how it goes. Looking good so far. Now I know there's a lot of CA here, but I don't know. I don't mind because it's blue and it's blending in with the colors, so I feel it's okay. It's really getting busy over here, right? Oh man. Oh, we'll see. I really should have added a stick underneath or something, because it's really hard to grab a hold on now. And me with my poor ability to make negative space, there's not gonna be a lot of white to hold on to. Maybe I really would like to get this to the edge and this to the edge. I really don't like that sound. So, what do we think, guys? Boy, it's busy, right? I don't know where I want to put my finger in. Maybe I can try here. That's white as well. Oh man, I think I dipped my entire thumb down the paint. did I do that? I did on the edge, I can see it. So this is coming closer to the edge. I would like to get some of it off. I'm not sure I'm gonna succeed. I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna manage that. Maybe it's gonna drag itself over the edge. Let's see over here. Did I mess it all up? No, it's okay. So let's see how much there's left in the middle, and if there's too much, I'm gonna put her on the spinner, because I'm not sure I can get any more off. Oh, I think it's I don't know if it's too much. I really would like to get a little bit more off. Let's see. Can you see how much there is left? It's really not easy with this one. I don't know why I'm using this every time. It gives a glare. Do I want to take a chance with this one? Actually, it should be okay. I'm gonna take a chance. And if it cracks, I'm gonna figure out what to do. Let me bring you in for a close-up. So a lot is going on. Let's start in the center. I love the cells, they're gorgeous, lots of colors, and there we have Athena, beautiful, a lot of lines everywhere. Some of them I really love, but I don't know if it's too much, this entire area. But then I get a place where my eyes can rest, and this look kind of cool as well. I like that. Gorgeous colors as well. I guess it's the Payne's Gray and the Athena playing. Down here, I don't know if you can see all these small tiny dots. And here the gold goes crazy. Oh, sorry. There you go. The gold is going nuts. And this part was what I would like to get over the edge, but it's not that big an issue now, I think. What do you think, guys? You should really try these Lazy Susans. They're fun, but gotta figure out either to put a stick on the back or put it on my spinner. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe if you don't do that already. Help my channel grow and see what I come up with next. It's free and it's really a big help for me. Yeah, I want to thank you for this time, and stay safe out there till next time. Bye!